Top drone stocks in India for future investment 2024. Let's start the video. Number 1. Zend Technologies is one of the listed drone manufacturing companies in India. Develops and manufactures simulators and training solutions for defense and security forces. Zend Technologies weekly chart all-time high 915, now its resistance. It will take support trend line. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe, and press bell button for notifications. Second support 654. We are looking buying zone. Above 800. Buy above 800, close daytime candle green. Then buy above previous day candle high, buy price. Stop loss 650, target 1000. Number 2, Droney Chariot Aerial Innovations is an Indian company that specializes in providing drone-based solutions for industries such as agriculture, infrastructure, mining, and surveying. However, they offer tailored drone services and solutions to meet specific client requirements. Trendline support. Upside trendline resistance. All-time high price, 243, in its resistance. Support price, 171. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe, and press bell button for notifications. Resistance price, 217. By price above, 217. And target 1 price, 243. Stop loss price, 180. Number 3, Drone Destination Ltd. The company operates the largest network of DGCA-certified drone pilot training programs along with its training partners. 1. Drone Destination currently operates 8 drone hubs at Gurugram, Chandigarh, Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Coimbatore, and Madurai and plans to open 150 drone hubs over the next 3 years. Trendline support. Downtrend line breakout. Second trend line resistance. All-time high price, 176.55, resistance. Support price, 143.65 and second support price, 111. Looking for buying opportunity, above trend line break 1 bullish candle. Target price, 180. Stop loss price, 140. Number 4, Info Edge. India known as the best drone company in India that has made strategic investments in the drone industry. Therefore, the company has invested in various firms like Zomato, Shop Kirana, Policy Bazaar, and others. Trendline support. Resistance price, 5,745. 4,838. Price resistance convert to support now. All-time high price, 7,482. Downtrend line breakout. Support. By price above, 5,320. Target, 1, 5,745. Target, 2, 6,462. Number 5. Paras Defense and Space Technologies. This company is involved in the development of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, and other defense-related products. The business has developed a variety of UAVs, including rotary and fixed-wing drones, and provides services like aerial mapping, surveying, and surveillance. Resistance price, 846. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe, and press bell button for notifications. All-time high price, 1,256. Now its resistance. Upside trendline support. Upside trendline support breaks down, then first support price is 604. Buy above price, 846. First target price, 1256. Stop loss upside trend line. Number 6. The Indian business, DCM Shriram Industries Limited, works in several industries, including plastics, chemicals, and sugar. The production of uncrewed aerial vehicles, UAVs, for agricultural uses by DCM Shriram Industries is another foray into the drone market. In precision agriculture, drones from the firm are used for spraying, mapping, and crop monitoring. Trendline resistance. Trendline support. Resistance price, 150. Now its support. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe, and press bell button for notifications. All-time high price, 173. By price above, 173. Target price, 250. Stop loss price, 150. If you like my efforts, please like, share, and subscribe. Press the bell button to get notifications.